Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir taste better. Start by tasting plain kefir to identify the dominant flavors, then pick one easy change. Try a dash of honey or maple syrup, blend with ripe banana or berries for creaminess, or stir in vanilla and cinnamon to mellow tang. Chill well before serving and avoid overheating to protect probiotics while enjoying a smoother, more palatable drink. Try small, deliberate additions to improve kefir without masking probiotics. Sweeten with a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, or blend with half a banana and a handful of berries for body and natural sugar. For warm notes, stir in vanilla or a pinch of cinnamon, or add unsweetened cocoa for a chocolate twist. Taste as you go to keep balance and avoid overpowering the live cultures. If you're finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple food hacks. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, fresh scent that pairs surprisingly well with morning kefir runs or grocery trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Texture and temperature change perception of taste dramatically, so experiment gently. Strain for a smoother mouthfeel, or thin with equal parts milk or almond milk to soften tang. Serving very cold or blending with ice and frozen fruit numbs sharpness and makes kefir more refreshing. Small tweaks keep probiotics intact while making each sip pleasant, so adjust ratios until you find your perfect balance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.